Good morning, good afternoon and good evening. Today I will bake buttermilk scones. First I will prepare buttermilk. Milk or half-half. I have half-half. And I add 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar and 2 teaspoons of vanilla. It changed its consistency. It thickened. That's my buttermilk. 3 cups of flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 spoon of salt, 1/2 cup of sugar, the butter must be cold from the refrigerator. Try not to touch too much. Don't overmix. It's supposed to be like this. Don't overmix. Now it looks like this. I made more because my neighbor wants to. I made more. I put more raspberries into this on the bottom because I love raspberries and my Fiona loves too. They are ready. Bon appetit! I put more raspberries into this. Bon appetit! Bon appetit!